A single dot flickers in the dark and lunges toward you. You are floating in the deadest pocket of the universe. No stars, no light, just suffocating blackness. Alone, your teeth start to vibrate. A cold nausea hits your stomach. The silence isn't empty anymore. It is heavy, and it is dragging you. You are caught in a massive tidal current, flowing inevitably toward a single point in the dark. You are about to witness the universe's most violent event, and you cannot close your eyes. Ahead of you, the blackness smears like oil on glass. Ancient starlight twists into a sickening funhouse halo. Two shadows move in the dark. They are supermassive black holes, monsters of gravity, blind, starving, and they have found each other. For billions of years, they have been tearing through the cosmos, dragging entire star systems into their endless hunger. Now, there is nothing left to eat but each other. You try to look away. You can't. Space itself is funneling your vision. You see two colossal, gaping wounds in reality, circling, faster, faster. Suddenly, your lungs feel crushed. The gravity is stretching your very atoms. You realize with a freezing dread that you aren't just watching this. You are inside the event. They close in, half the speed of light. The sheer kinetic energy boils the empty space around them. An impossible ring of light erupts. Friction ignites invisible space dust. A blinding storm of plasma, a crown of fire for two gods of death. The fabric of reality convulses like the lungs of a dying god. You feel the gravitational waves punch through your chest. Reality compresses. Then it violently expands. Time rips at your body. Seconds stretch. Your heart freezes. Your lungs can't keep up. You gasp, but the air isn't real. You are drowning in a storm of broken physics. The very laws of nature are collapsing around you. Then the true horror begins. They touch. No explosion. No brilliant flash of light. When supermassive black holes collide head-on, they do not shatter. They devour. The collision doesn't happen in space. It happens to space. The very grid of reality bends inward, screaming under a weight that should not exist. For a fraction of a millisecond, the universe holds its breath. Pure, invisible spatial violence is unleashed. A shockwave is born, one that will eventually reach across the cosmos to touch our own world. Nothing around you is safe. The two shadows stretch. They reach out like black liquid. They melt together into a trembling monstrosity. The new shadow rings out, shaking off the energy, before freezing into a perfect, terrifying sphere. The shockwave hits you, but it doesn't push you away. It violently drags you inward. Space is falling into this new abyss faster than light. You are trapped in the undertow. You cross the threshold. The shadow swallows you. You look back. The universe outside shrinks into a violently shifting pinpoint of light. You watch the future history of the cosmos play in fast forward. Stars die. Galaxies fade. The universe goes completely dark. The window snaps shut. You are inside the anomaly. No up, no down, just an eternal, crushing fall toward a center that does not exist. You are erased. Out there, an invisible shockwave crosses millions of light years. One day we will feel it. Somewhere in the dark, something notices our scream.